Hi guys, in today's video, I'm using beaded wreath rings to make a floral arrangement that can be used as a centerpiece and also as a hanging decor piece. So let's get started. Okay guys, these are the items I will be using today. I have my florals and some greenery. I have 2 beaded wreath rings. I have foam balls and I have some fishing line, and everything I have here I got at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by placing the 2 beaded wreath rings together. I'm just going to place one inside of the other, making sure they are lined up evenly, and then I'm going to secure it with the fishing line. You could use some floral wire, or you could use some jute cord, or you can use some hot glue. We want it to be nice and sturdy, as this is going to be the base for the arrangement. I'm just wrapping the fishing line around both of the wreath rings, and then I'm going to secure it with a knot, making sure it's sturdy and that it's aligned and balanced. And then I'm going to repeat the same process on the next end where both of the wreath rings meet. I'll be using this mini wood palette for the base to support my frame, and I also got it at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using some hot glue to secure the beaded rings to the base, and I'll be using quite a bit just to make sure it's sturdy and can support the florals that will be added once we start putting the arrangement together. Next, I'll be attaching the small foam ball between the rings. I'll be using quite a bit of the hot glue here as well, as this is what I'll be using to hold the flowers in place. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be cutting my stems, and I'm going to be cutting them to different lengths. That is going to make the arrangement look fuller. And just a reminder guys to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so if you are enjoying my content and for more easy, budget-friendly DIYs. Next comes the fun part guys, which is adding the flowers. So I'm going to be inserting the flowers into the foam ball, and I'll be layering them to make sure the arrangement looks full and natural. I forgot to mention earlier guys that you can use some floral foam instead of the foam ball. They both work the same, so whatever you have on hand or have access to is fine to use. I kept my wreath rings the neutral color that they came in, but you can always change the color by painting them to match your theme or whatever the color of your choice is. Also guys, if you wanted to use this as a hanging decor piece only, you wouldn't need to add a base to your frame. So I added the mini palette because I want to use it as a centerpiece and also be able to use it as a hanging decor piece. I'm just adding more greenery to fill the empty spaces and make the arrangement look fuller. As you can see guys, it's coming together beautifully, and I really love how the wreath rings frame the floral arrangement. I also love how easy this is to customize, you guys. You can switch up the flower colors for spring, for summer, for fall, for a wedding, baby shower, whatever the occasion. You just change the florals and that is going to give you a completely new look. As I'm adding the flowers, I'm also rotating the centerpiece. This helps me to see if it looks full and balanced all the way around, since this piece can be used both as a centerpiece and as a hanging decor piece. I'm just adding this final bit of a filler and then that will be it, guys. So this is how it turned out, guys, and I absolutely love it. This would be perfect for any occasion, and I think it would also be perfect if you're hosting outdoors. I used some fishing line to hang this, guys, so you can see how beautiful it looks when hanged. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I really do appreciate your feedback. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!